Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to do a face swap for free using Canva. First, just open your Canva and then just open any design that you're working on. And then just upload the photo that you want to swap the face on. And then next, just tap on apps like this and then just search for Reface. Choose this app, just tap on it. And then just tap on your photo and then just tap on your selected image like this and then just tap on plus button to upload the photo of the face that you want to use. Like this, and then once it's done, just simply tap on swap face like this. Okay, your swap face is ready. Let's look the result. Okay, like this, you can see the difference. Next, if you like it, just tap on add to designs. And your face swap is ready like this. And okay, that's it. A super simple and free way to do face swaps in Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.